Hey guys, I'm the Creative Gem, back with another video, and today I'm doing a low bun flat twist style. This is a great protective style for summer. It protects your hair if you're sweating and it's on a hot day, or it's even great for a date night. I'm going to show you how to do the spiral style and a few easy steps. But before we jump into this tutorial, make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification on the bottom to be notified when a new video is out. It is wash day, and I'm going to show you guys what my hair looks like before. And just a quick note, this is not product buildup. This is what the extreme gel in the green color. This is what the extreme gel looks like in my hair after a few days. It starts to get a little crusty, particularly around my edges and flakes throughout my hair, but it's okay because I'm going to be using this shampoo to cleanse my scalp. So my hair is squeaky clean and ready to go. I'm gonna let it air dry, and I'm gonna be using this Shine and Jam to style my hair. But first, I am going to pick out my hair, or basically detangling it using my pick. I typically detangle my hair while in the shower. However, I forgot to bring my comb with me, so it's a little bit harder to detangle after it's slightly damp. But I gotta do what I gotta do. Now it's time to part the hair. And before you guys even come at me, I'm quite aware that my comb is missing a lot of its teeth, and it's okay because I did this on purpose to create my own parting comb. I'm not sure if a lot of ladies do this, but this is a great hack to make your own parting comb to make nice and clean parts, which is what I'm about to do right now. This hairstyle consists of several parts. So to start, I'm going to start with a T part, but instead of going straight back, I'm going diagonally. And for those who are new to my channel or have never seen my videos, I am not the best at parting on camera. So if you see segments where the part is all of a sudden done, it's because I walked away and did it in a mirror where I could see. It's okay if the part isn't clean or it's a little messy, because all the hair is pretty much going to be gathered up in the back for the bun. Here is the T part, and each side is almost going down to the back of my head. Not quite, but almost. And now I'm going to apply my Shine and Jam. And the way I apply my Shine and Jam is that I apply it down the part so the part is nice and clean and neat. More gel is applied to the hair and also along my edges and smoothed out with a brush. So the way I do my flat twist depends on which side my head I am flat twisting, and that also determines my finger techniques. If you want me to get more in depth about how to do this, I can definitely do a flat twist tutorial. Just let me know in the comments below and I will do a tutorial for you guys and break it down how I flat twist my hair. And the key to make these flat twists last are rubber bands. I'm going to take a rubber band and wrap it around a couple times around the flat twist. Boom! Flat twist number 1 is now complete, and now I'm starting the next one. Now, the first one I did with just the Shine and Jam, but I'm going to use this leave-in conditioner for the second one because my hair felt a little dry. It feels pretty moisturized, so I'm going to use it for the rest of my hair. Once again, I'm applying the Shine and Jam down the part, brushing it in, and flat twisting it. For the left side, I do an underhand twist, and for the right side, I do an overhand twist, just for reference. Once again, I'm taking a rubber band and securing the twist so it doesn't unravel, and this makes the twist last longer. You can use any color you want. I like to use colors that I think I'm going to use or wear with my outfits for that week. But you can never go wrong with black rubber bands because it's a neutral color. But most of the time I like to use color just to add a little jazz in my hair. Both frontal twists are done, and now I can start the spiral. I'm going to start the next part in the middle of the other two parts. So basically parting from that center point, like so. I am not parting straight back, I am parting diagonally, or basically on a curve. This is to create the illusion of a slight spiral. I'm going to flat twist that up as well. I'm going to show you one more part, and then I'm going to speed everything up. I'm doing the entire process again for the fourth part, applying the gel down the part, applying product, and then flat twisting. And as I mentioned before, the starting point of each part begins with those two middle parts. So the middle part of those two frontal parts is how I'm starting each part. I made the front twist more smaller, and then as I went along, I made the twist more asymmetrical. All right, so each side has 3 twists, and I left the middle untwisted because I'm basically going to slick that down with this Cantu twist and lock gel. You're probably wondering why I didn't twist the rest of my hair, and it's because it wasn't really necessary. It looked good without it, and I also wanted to create waves in the back of my head instead of just having twists. Now, either way, I could have twists or waves. It'll still look pretty no matter what. But if you're worried about your hair frizzing up with this hairstyle, go ahead and twist that all up. We're almost done with this tutorial, and the final step is to take each individual twist and turn it. I'm turning it in the direction it was twisted to make it nice and tight, and then I'm going to gather all of them up into one bun. To create my fake bun, I'm taking this donut and my hair tie, and I'm wrapping the hair around the donut and then tucking the remaining hair under and using the hair tie to secure it and make everything nice and smooth. Some finishing touches to this hairstyle, or I'm going to be doing my edges with this Cream of Nature Edge Control Gel, and also using this Cantu sheen to make my hair extra shiny. I recommend that you use the spray in a highly ventilated area. Last but not least, I'm taking my scarf and wrapping my hair and letting it sit, as I like to call it. And here's the final reveal in 3, 2, 1. This protective hairstyle is great for summer. You won't sweat out your hair and it won't frizz. You can also use cute accessories with this hairstyle. You can use different colored rubber bands, hair jewelry, and also colored scrunchies to use in the back of your bun. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you enjoy seeing content like this, make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification on the bottom to be notified when a new video is out. Make sure you guys follow my social media and also check out the links below. See you guys in the next video. Bye.